Struggling to make sense of your study notes? You read them over and over, watch endless videos, but some concepts just won't click. It can feel so isolating and frustrating, right? Well, what if you had a study buddy who knew your notes better than you do? Meet Ariva, your personal AI study partner. Ariva learns directly from your materials and teaches you everything you need to know through natural conversation. It's super simple. Just upload your notes or any study documents, and Ariva instantly creates personalized lessons. It can explain tough topics and even quiz you, all through voice. Imagine just asking, Ariva, explain the limbic system, and hearing it break it down for you. Ariva transforms passive reading into active, engaging learning. Stop staring at your notes and start talking to them. Turn your study material into your smartest tutor. Ready to revolutionize the way you study? Join the waitlist for Ariva now and get ready to learn smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.